Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create equalizer preset for the headphones JBL Live Flex 3. You have to start by open JBL application. Now scroll down a little bit and click on the equalizer. After that click on plus, and now you should create an equalizer preset. Let's say that's okay for me, so I just click save, and here we go, I have it right here. Also you can remove it. Just click on the trash icon and then remove. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.